the most advanced deep learning development course of 2025. Foundations of Modern Deep Learning is a professional and up-to-date course available in dozens of languages, designed especially for algorithm developers, software engineers, and technology professionals who truly want to master the tools and methods behind modern neural networks. We will learn how to build neural networks, understand the difference between CNNs and transformer models, examine the appropriate loss function, and explore which optimization methods deliver the most advanced results in 2025. Throughout the course, you will complete short quizzes. You will be able to download summaries for each lesson, and you will practice with open source code in the Colab environment, including fully solved notebooks. By the end of the course, you will know how to implement deep learning models and understand the principles behind them. And of course, you will be able to develop, adapt, and integrate them into the products of the future. The course serves as an essential foundation for advancing to more complex fields such as computer vision, time series, and LLMs. At the end of your studies, you will stand on a professional foundation that will enable you to specialize, lead, and tackle the deepest development challenges in the field of artificial intelligence.